Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant in Volkswagen Jetta full guide. Start by letting the engine cool completely and lift the hood to locate the coolant reservoir and radiator cap. Place a drain pan under the lower radiator hose clamp. Loosen the clamp with a 10 mm wrench and be ready to catch coolant safely. Wear gloves and eye protection and dispose of old coolant responsibly at a recycling center. Once cool and secure, remove the radiator cap and place your drain pan beneath the lower hose connection. Loosen the hose clamp, detach the hose, and allow the coolant to flow into the pan until mostly empty. Reattach the hose and tighten the clamp when the flow ends, then inspect the drained fluid for contamination or oil. Clean the area and prepare to flush the system with distilled water if the car needs it. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free music and voice timers while you work on the car, and it brings easy control to your garage audio setup. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and consider one if it fits your workspace. Now let's get back to the video. Mix the correct coolant and distilled water ratio recommended for your model, then slowly refill the radiator and reservoir to the proper marks. Start the engine with the heater on high to circulate coolant and open the bleed valve until steady flow removes air pockets. Top off levels as needed, recheck hose clamps, and let the engine reach operating temperature while monitoring for leaks and stable temperature gauge readings before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.